Then your light shall spring forth. Then you shall call, and the Lord shall answer. Then you shall cry, and the Lord shall say,
Here I go. Here I go. No, y'all niggas that damn. Here I go. No, y'all niggas that fucking niggas can't fucking damn. Here I go. The man right here. The man right here. Here I go. Y'all motherfuckers better get ready to rumble.
slices on the bone. Fasten the light and humble slice on the bone. Y'all motherfuckers ain't ready. Nope, I know. Birds are few. You bitches probably can see me with the bird's eye view. Ooh, visualize to the light. Stop walking the one way to a fucking dead end. But you